We want to again bring you an update where the 22-year-old man charged with killing Charlie Kirk appeared in court remotely today. During the hearing, the suspect and his newly appointed legal counsel decided that they want a preliminary hearing where the judge will determine there is enough evidence against him to go forward with a trial. So let's continue on with more updates here to this really in-demand story. Let's go out to the very latest right now from Fox News' Kaylee Schuyler joining us from Utah this evening.
Hi, Mike. So it was a pretty anticlimactic morning. Myself and several members of the media were waiting outside of the courtroom for 2 hours, and then we get inside, and the hearing only lasted for 10 minutes because the judge and both sides agreed that there is a lot of evidence to go over. And the crime happened less than 3 weeks ago, so they say there hasn't been enough time to sort through it all. The suspect, Tyler Robinson, appeared virtually from the Utah County Jail where he's being held, but his camera was not on. That was a change his attorney requested. Today's hearing was mostly procedural. The defense was supposed to decide if they wanted a preliminary hearing, which could determine whether the case can move forward to trial. But ultimately, that didn't happen today. It's not a mandatory hearing, but Robinson's attorney says based on everything she knows right now, she plans to request one. Robinson is facing 7 charges here in Utah, including aggravated murder, and that makes him eligible for the death penalty. His freshly appointed public defender, Kathryn Nester, is known as an elite criminal defense attorney and qualified to handle death penalty cases. She says she's waiting to get all the evidence in the case before she decides the next steps for her client.
It's my understanding from our meeting today that there is massive amounts of digital that is going to be coming, and until we can kind of get our heads around exactly what we're dealing with and how much we need to process, it's going to be difficult for us to give you a reasonable expectation of when we will be ready to do the prelims. So it's
The suspect's next hearing is October 30th, and it'll be another waiver hearing where Robinson is expected to appear in person. Mike?
Yeah, Kaylee, so many people will be looking to that one when they see him actually in court. Kaylee Schuyler, thanks so much for joining us on Live Now from Fox. We always appreciate it with the updates straight from Utah. All right, we'll take a 2-minute break, everyone. We will be back with more on Live Now from